you get your hair in it. You shortened it, now I'm like... Need to try to do it with gloves. Hi, especially with this this color. This is a rare color.
Yeah, this is inexpensive. The blondes are...
Yeah. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
You ready, mister? Look, I'm going to go picky. Go picking. Ooh, good boy. I know, that's your tartar that you're tasting. Good boy. Oh, what a good job. Okay, let's see if we can do the canine. I'm going to stand up for this one. No. Ooh. Sometimes.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to sit down. Jeez, this stuff is coming off of this. I'm going to tickle under my mask.
Worst thing
No. No. Wait, my finger's in there. Okay, let me see. No, I got it. Push back here. Get open up, Lou. Oh, see?
They're looking great now.
Because I want to eat the machine instead.
Mumford, Dumpford. Oh, I know, my handsome potatoes. Gotta let her finish.
Ah, come on, we gotta finish.
No, come on, squirmy McSwarmy.
No, he says I want